In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay multiple bills using the Xero dashboard effectively and efficiently. Now, if you're managing several bills at once, this tutorial will guide you step by step to streamline that process, ensuring you can stay on top of your finances without breaking a sweat. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your Xero dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to the left-hand side menu where you'll find the Sales section. Click on that, and then proceed to select Bills. This is your hub for managing all pending, paid, and outstanding invoices, so it's a great feature to get familiar with. As you move ahead, click on the Awaiting Payment tab. This section specifically showcases all the bills that are due for payment, making it much easier for you to focus on your outstanding bills without getting overwhelmed by other distractions. With this clean overview, you can start selecting the bills you wish to pay. Simply check the box next to each bill to include it in your payment batch. To make this process even smoother, you can utilize the filter option provided. By filtering by supplier, you can organize the list in a way that makes the most sense for you and your business, especially if you're managing multiple suppliers. Once you've selected the bills, look for the Make Payment button. Clicking on it will open up a drop-down menu. Here, you'll want to select Batch Payment, and then click Continue. This is where the magic happens, as the batch payment feature allows you to process multiple bills in one go, saving you a considerable amount of time and effort. Next, you'll need to choose the payment date. This step lets you decide exactly when you want the payment to be processed. It's important to check your cash flow and other financial commitments before selecting this date to avoid any potential issues. Additionally, you'll also select the bank account from which these payments will be made. Make sure it's the correct account to avoid unnecessary overdraft fees or payment issues. Now take a moment to review the list of bills and their details thoroughly. During this review, one crucial thing to do is manually enter or edit the payee reference for each bill. Remember, this reference will appear on the payment file, so ensure it's accurate and descriptive enough for both you and the supplier to understand. Once you're satisfied with all the details, it's time to finalize everything. Go ahead and click Make Payments. With this last step, your batch payments are now queued for processing, and you've successfully managed your bills using the Xero dashboard. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope you found these instructions straightforward and helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more tips on managing your finances effectively.